Now we solve 6 of question number 1, exercise 2.2, class 10, NCERT. Question is 3x square minus x minus 4. So let us factorize. How will you factorize? First you multiplied first and third terms. That is 3x square into minus 4. If you multiplied, you will get minus 12x square. Now factorize prime factorization of 12. Find the prime factorization of 12. 12, 2 6 are 12 and 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. You should have to make two factors which is equal to, whose sum is equal to minus x and whose product is equal to minus 12x square. So let us find which number will be equal to, whose sum is equal to minus x. So if you multiply 2 into 2, that is 4. 2 into 2 is 4 and 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So it will, sum is equal to minus x and product is equal to 4 3s are 12. So let us write 3x square, this will same, this will change. Minus, because minus sign is there, that's why write greater minus sign in greater number. 2 2s are 4x and 3 plus 3x. If you find the sum minus 4x plus 3x, you will get minus x. And if you multiplied minus 4x into 3x, you will get 12x square. That is the product of first and last term. Now find the common factors between these two. Which one is common among these two terms? X is common, so write here x. And here what is left? 3 and x. And write this sign minus. And if you have taken x, then what is left here? 4 left. And in this term no one is common, so write 1. And then 3x minus 4 is left. This is your rough work. How to find factorization. You can use this process. Now these two terms are same. These two factors are same in both the terms. So take it as common. 3x minus 4 and here x is left and here 1 is left. So these are the two factors. So the value of, therefore the value of 3x square minus x minus 4 is 0 when the value of this factors 3x minus 4 into x plus 1 is 0. If this one is 0, then this one will be 0. That is you can say, that is x, 3x minus 4 is equal to 0 or x plus 1 is equal to 0. Either this one is 0 or this one is 0. If product is 0, then this one is 0 or this one is 0. Because any term must be 0, or both the term may be 0. So let us find the value of x. 3x, write 3x is equal to 4. If you transpose, its sign will be changed. Now this implies x is equal to 4 by 3 and here x is equal to minus 1, because plus 1, if you transpose plus 1 to the other side, right hand side, then it will be minus 1. So these are the zeros. Therefore you can say that the zeros of polynomial 3x square minus x minus 4 are 4 by 3 and minus 1. These are the two zeros. So let us find the sum of zeros. Now sum of zeros that is equal to First one is 4 by 3 and second one is minus 1. If you find plus minus 1, then what you will get? 4 by 3 minus 1. And now find the LCM, that is 3, and 4 minus 3 is equal to 1 by 3. This is the sum of 0, and we know that this is equal to coefficient of minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. Because sum of 0, formula of sum of 0 is coefficient or minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. Coefficient minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square. What is that? Minus coefficient of x is, because this is the coefficient of x, minus 1 is the coefficient of x. X is variables and minus 1 is multiplied. So coefficient of x is equal to minus 1, and here it is already minus. So if you multiply minus 1 into minus, then you will get plus, and coefficient of x square is 3. So write here 3. Then minus into minus is 1 and 3 is in the denominator. So both are same. And now find the product. Now product of zeros. Product of zeros. What are the zeros? We have already find out. 4 by 3 and minus 1. If you multiply, you will get minus 4 by 3, and that is equal to product of 0 is constant term divided by coefficient of x square. Constant term product of 0 is constant term divided by coefficient of x square. You have to learn this formula. This is formula. Coefficient of x square, and constant term is, in this quadratic polynomials, constant term is minus 4. So write here minus 4, and coefficient of x square is 3. Both are same. That's why verified.